I am about to do something so many people wish they could do. Hey guys, Bernie General here, back with another video, and Sony Trinitron. This is a new, old stock, new in its original box, Sony Trinitron, 13-inch TV, and we're going to open it. So, I'm not going to do no ceremonial shit, let's just get right to it. Oh, look at that. So it comes with a remote for Sony TVs, black one. A small piece of coaxial cable, which I will be keeping because that's cool. And of course, the coupe de la graphe, I don't know what that means, shut up, a 13-inch Sony television. Oh! This is awesome. Alright, what else? There's a bunch more goodies in here. There's also an antenna, some more coax, and warranty information, and more phone inserts. So let's take a look at a new old stock Trinitron. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is KV13M20 from 1997. I already had one of these, so this will be the second one. This is beautiful. This is very beautiful. Smells like Trinitron. I'm gonna get this stuff out of here. Good Lord, I need to clean my room. My old TV. So here I have it sitting in position with, where it should be. I have it plugged in. Oh, no, I didn't need to plug in the coaxial cable in the back. Oh, look at all this clean electronics. Now time to see the Sony Trinitron turn on. The remote has no batteries. There you go. Here we go. remote batteries are dead. Oh, we didn't plug the TV in. Whoa, it's definitely working. There we go. Wow. Already I can tell it's bright as all living shit. Let's see. Woo! Sharp too. Alright. Turn it to 360 because no, not 3639 something. Alright. Yeah, that's definitely needs to warm up for a bit because I'm sure this thing has just never been really used. But let's see, we can go to menu, video, or enter. Okay, picture. I think it seems to be its default. How's the sound on this TV?
But I am glad that he's reconsidering. Look, Julie, we can spend the rest of this hour talking about too hard, too long, too expensive, but at the end of the day, we don't really have a choice except to keep our foot on the terrorist's neck. And to keep our foot on this thing.
Unboxing a new one.
To invest a few thousand troops in order to
because
prevent attacks in the United States is an acceptable investment.
Right.
We have to remember, we still have 25,000 troops in Japan, 30,000 in South Korea, thousands in Germany. You know, we have a forward-deployed, forward-leaning posture, and I think we need to keep the terrorists on their back foot.
The president has said we've defeated ISIS. Other experts have said we have 95% defeated ISIS, but there's still that 5%, which again, that 5%, like you said,
so that was a new old stock Trinitron. This is nice. I have a Trinitron. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one.